Visible?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, hi, hello everybody. So this is the 4th episode of Awesome People series, and as you can see, we are actually live together. This is Kilol sir,
Hello, everyone.
Patani sir, and this is Bindya ma'am.
Hello.
So both of these are really amazing teachers. They have a lot of experience, and I am going to hear their stories from them itself, so that I don't mess it up.
Yes.
So Bindya ma'am, would you like to tell us about your story? How did you become a teacher? What was your journey? And how do you feel now about it?
I tell you, I always felt that I was born to be a teacher. Since very young age, I could not have imagined myself doing anything except teaching, right? So teaching not only comes naturally to me, but that is something I'm very passionate about. To be with the students, to teach them new things and to share life experiences, to share the core subjects. Just being with them, I mean, it's amazing. So I was destined to be a teacher, and I am thankful to God that He has put me in such a noble profession that, along with the students, I am also learning every day. Basically, guys, you all will agree that learning is a never-ending process, right? So I am a student for life.
Wow, beautiful. Like there are so few of us who know what we want to do in life. You already knew that you were born to be a teacher.
Correct.
That's so amazing.
Yeah, that is something we would like to tell all the students out there, that have your goals very clear from a very young age. That will give you an edge. Yeah.
Yes, true. So these are the lucky ones we can see who have a clarity from a young age. But that's amazing. You have 23 years of experience.
Correct.
And after that also she believes that she's a lifelong learner.
Yeah.
So that is definitely something to learn. Right? Tell also, what about your journey?
Yeah, basically I'll take you back 14 years. As soon as I finished my 12th, that was 3rd May, where I was a student, the sir gave me a call that I want you tomorrow morning 5:30 at my academy. And I was like, 5:30? I just finished my 12th. I have finished all the entrances and I want you to be here at 5:30. And that's where the journey of teaching began. Again, I always believed in two things, that teaching cannot be adapted. Teaching has to be inherited. If you want to become a teacher, no one can make you a teacher. You should have that spark within yourself that you can be a teacher, and then you can be a teacher. Otherwise, no ways. 14 years now, daily we get to know the new things, we get to adapt to the new things, how we can be better each day, and there I am after 14 years.
Right.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's a really important point. Actually, like if we just take people and take them on a podium and tell them that you teach, they'll somehow teach, but they'll not be good teachers.
It's absolutely like a singer. You put someone, if you just put me on the stage and say sing, I'm definitely sure that the hall will be empty. So everyone, if you put someone on the stage and say that teach, students will learn of it. That's it. That's simple.
True.
That's that.
But there are some teachers who are really dedicated towards it and who see a spark in themselves to actually do it.
The teacher who has been inherited with the teaching, all those would be a good and quick learner teachers, and they will adapt to the changes.
True. So I'm very new to this journey and I have a lot to learn from them. Definitely. But then, okay, that's amazing. And let's get started with the questionnaire, the question answers, right? Okay. So the first question that I have is, what do you see in the students that make you believe that this student will perform really well? Like there are things that will happen later in their life and like they'll inculcate skills and all of that. But there are some things, right? कि ये भले studies में अच्छा ना हो, but कुछ तो this person will do.
Right.
This person has that kind of confidence or whatever skills, right?
Right.
So what kind of skills do you look for that makes you believe कि this person will do it?
See, basically, when we see the students for the very first time, every year we come across hundreds of students, all of them are new. Taking a judgment just by looking at the cover of the books makes no sense. You need to interact with them. You need to spend time with the student.
Correct.
You need to teach them. You need to examine them. See, exams are not those parameters which people are going to take a judgment. Examinations are those parameters where we want to analyze the skills of the student. And there we start to do it, whether he's good at English, whether he's good at any of the subjects. Leave it studies apart. That he is not good at studies, he is doing reasonably well, but somewhere else he need to be more better. The voice, the expression he carries with him, he or she carries with him, the expression does matter as well for them. How confident he is about putting things forward. How confident he is in asking new things. How curious he gets to learn them. And then we always used to have a words with student, taking them to the journey of the world, and there where they will get to know that yes, this is my career and this is where I need to build it. Whether it is absolutely off track from the studies, why not? Ultimately, fun learning jobs in today's world are all apart from studies.
That's
That's
very,
what
very
my
good.
vision
Yeah,
about the
that's
skills
right.
capturing of the student.
That's right.
Yeah.
True. So, like, you maybe interact with them and then you see the kind of confidence and the kind of curiosity maybe
True.
that is there in that person.
True.
But what if that dies slowly? Like, the curiosity?
It is a teacher's job not to let it die, right?
Exactly.
See, basically, I always believe that every one of us is gifted. All of us are gifted. We don't open the package, you know. So it is a teacher's job to open that package. Some students may be very talkative, very confident. You can break the ice with them very easily. When you meet them first, you know, they tell us about themselves, what they want to do, how they are. And some of them are very shy and, you know, diffident and backroom people. So as teachers, I guess it is our job to shake them, bring it out from them, what you need, I mean, what it takes, what they want to be, right? So I believe every one of us have that talent. And as a teacher, it is a big responsibility on our end to, you know, bring out that hidden talent. And everybody is gifted, but gifted with different things. Right or no?
Yeah.
Some of them may be very good in communication, very good in maths. So I think let's not stereotype the professions, you know, and
True.
let them be what they want to be.
Very
And they will eventually excel, I feel.
But then doesn't it become a barrier that students come here for studies? So don't they feel like ये तो हमारे studies के लिए ही teachers है तो इनके साथ why do we have to अपना
That's true.
not
When
but,
you build a environment,
Yeah,
when
that
you-
rapport.
When you make that I am a professor of yours, I don't deny it, but I can be your friend as well.
Yeah.
And where that barrier gets shattered very soon. When you build that environment, when few students who are with us for 3 years now, when the other student sees, she can ask anything to sir, why can't I?
Yeah, that's true.
And now that things create कि sir के साथ एक rapport बन गया. Obviously, I don't say that it comes overnight.
Yeah.
But for that, you need to invest time after the students. When you give them knowledge, you don't just give them knowledge. You have to invest after them. Then you are going to get a good friend.
That's right. That's right.
True. So you build that rapport very slowly.
We have to. It's a gradual process. Yeah.
Yes.
That doesn't happen overnight.
No,
definitely.
Definitely not.
But in along with taking classes only, you see that how do you take it, what is your way, and like what all these all small things sets it apart. Right?
Ask few things. Ask few things. Let them answer. Whether it is right or wrong makes no
Right,
difference.
correct.
Because no one has come learned.
Yeah, yeah. That's very right.
We have to teach them.
We always tell them speak up. It's okay if you're wrong. गलती करेंगे तो सही करेंगे एक दिन.
Say correct.
Right.
But then, like, as everything have moved online,
Yeah.
doesn't it become a little difficult to tell students to speak up? Because
It's-
sometimes they're not even interested.
It's different, not difficult, I would say.
True.
Right?
Oh, okay.
I think we should be interesting enough to let them sustain that interest, right? You to interact with them more. Like we always, Sir and myself tell everyone to keep their cameras on, keep the mode on unmute, and we always say that speak up, guys. We ask them, आपको पता चला ये ऐसे होता है. We talk about them. Sometimes when we start the lectures, we also talk to them like, how are things at home? The times are difficult. Hope you guys are well or in the mindset to attend the lecture. ऐसे करके we bring them to the topic. See, and then we start. So once that ice is broken and they know that somewhere that it strikes them, that it is for the betterment of us. And they also, however young the children are, they understand that. Eventually they understand that we need to be serious at this point in time. So I think interactively, if we do that, that is, I have not personally faced any problem as far as online is
Okay,
concerned. No,
so you
no.
must be students' favorite, ma'am. उनको online में भी problem
Online में we have stricken that code basically. We can manage now.
See, something gets routine rather
Right.
than you impose them. I would say that the lockdown and the digital platform is now running for 15 months.
Yeah.
It's not a small period of time. Yeah, when you made the rules clear in first 15 days,
Yeah.
this 15 months went smooth. When you were just like, it's okay, चलेगा,
Yeah,
अभी
okay.
छोड़ दो, बाद में करेंगे, और उसके बाद जब आप करवाओगे, सर चेंज हो गए, मैम अब स्ट्रिक्ट
आप
हो
बोल
गए,
रही है, हाँ.
अब मैम स्ट्रिक्ट हो गए. So again, I would say that it is difficult. Yes, we too faced challenges. Yes, it was challenging time for us as well. But again, as ma'am said, she keeps learning even today. If we do not adapt to this
Yeah,
technology, if
that's
we don't learn this, it's all over.
It's we get redundant, yeah.
Yeah.
We're out.
We are out of the game. And see, in today's world, the adoption of technology is happening very fast.
Very
Yeah.
important. Yeah.
And tell you what, when we were going through this online phase, there are many things which students taught us in the same online platform.
That is very true.
Yes.
Very true.
Right. Thanks,
they,
sir.
they told, okay, sir, you can do this, we
Yeah.
can use this tool for
Ah,
geometry, you can
correct,
go
correct.
for this, you can go for that. And suddenly we realized they are right.
It's mutual.
Yeah.
We are our teachers, right?
But technology they became your teachers and then
Right. Role reversal हो गया.
yeah, definitely.
But again, when you listen to them very carefully, they feel that मैंने सर को सीखा.
हाँ.
And that's okay.
That's fine, like,
okay.
that's nice.
I learn from my
Yeah,
kids.
yeah, that's right.
And I learn from them every day.
And it gives them so much of a boost. कि
Yeah.
मैंने सर को या मैम को कुछ सिखाया.
हाँ, यानी कि हाँ मुझे
Yeah.
कुछ आता है
Yeah.
ये चीज
And that's it's our job to build confidence
True.
in them, right? So yeah.
Oh. Okay, so move on to the next question. So, what are some of the habits or qualities that you really feel are very essential in life and like parents should inculcate in their kids from an early age?
Okay. Most important thing I would like to tell you is punctuality, right? Adherence to the time. I mean, that is something very important because all these things will gradually build up a disciplined character in the students, right? So punctuality is very important. They have to come to the institute 5-10 minutes prior to their timings. They have to settle themselves, have water. That basic discipline is very much required. So punctuality is very important. Then I would say that in today's time, since we are talking about online teaching, that honesty, integrity, being able to be answerable to yourself. It's very easy if we set out a paper, especially if it's a theory paper. It's very easy for them to Google out the answers. That's very easy. Don't strive for something that's easy. Strive for something that's difficult. Even you have a textbook with you, even if you have a Google with you, I'm not going to look at the answers. I'm going to study well and then appear for the exams. So that integrity, that honesty, I think we should try to, parents should try to tell the students that this is very important at young age. वो होता क्या है? पहले the students were not equipped with things, material things. So अब ये material things easy हो गए इनके पास. So I think we should strive for something which is not material, something which is very spiritual or righteous.
Right.
उसकी तरफ बच्चों को थोड़ा हम अगर early ऐसे parents, we are also striving very consciously to do that. If parents also do that,
Yeah.
so we'll be probably very successful in building up future wonderful citizens of the country, I feel.
Yeah.
Right.
Especially the parents of the toddlers, right?
हाँ,
उनको अगर ये space दिया जाए कि it's okay if you don't score marks.
Yeah.
No
That
harm.
system has to change.
हाँ.
Freedom, but with freedom comes a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that blend has to be worked out very responsibly, I feel.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, they should have given them the freedom कि ठीक है थोड़ा लो मार्क्स आएंगे चलेगा, but उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है देखना कि वो सही से
एक
सच्चाई से दे रहा है,
अच्छा पैकेज बन रहा है,
हाँ।
डिसिप्लिन का, पंक्चुअलिटी का, मॉरल वैल्यूज का, तो मेरे ख्याल से वो एक ऑटो मोड पे बच्चे फिर काम करने लगेंगे, राइट?
So this skill तो this is I think this is very essential.
Very essential, I know.
क्योंकि अब everything bluffing has become so easy.
Yeah.
On the online platforms that has become so easy. But then if that is this skill is there, they would know what is the right path.
Right path.
क्योंकि life में तो वही काम आने वाला है, पता नहीं कितना भी-
We always teach them about life, you know, this is just a process.
हाँ.
You're going to reach at something, बड़ी एग्जाम तो अभी बाकी है, लाइफ नाम की।
See, adaptability is what is needed.
Very
whether
much,
it is
yeah,
parent,
yeah.
whether it is student, or whether it is teacher.
Hmm.
World always looks beautiful when it is three-dimensional.
Yeah,
So,
correct.
one dimension is of parent, second dimension belongs to student, and third dimension belongs to the teacher.
Teachers.
Wow.
So when three-dimensional combines and stays on the same page of a notebook, the page is beautiful.
Yeah, correct.
If you change the pages, each and every page would be two-dimensional, and there the difference would start to occur. Second thing, so adaptability, along with all the prospectus which ma'am has added, they are bang on target. Adaptability is also as needed as it should be. The parents need to adapt what kid says.
Yeah.
They should not always be like a no.
We are parents, we are right.
हमें पता है, हमने
हाँ.
दुनिया ज्यादा देखी
Right.
है, हमें करना है,
नहीं, that's
तुम्हें
not-
नहीं पता चलेगा. So parents have experience, they are not wrong in their way.
Hmm.
Kids have innovation, and when you go ahead with experience and innovations combination,
Hmm.
it can make
The
wonders.
results are amazing. Yeah, yeah.
It can make wonders.
True, right?
So again, as we said, that someone might score very good in English,
Hmm.
and someone might score low in maths. So parents always used to say, maths may be.
हाँ.
Why don't they say that my
English
kid is
English
wonderful in English?
Correct.
True.
That positive attitude.
Positive attitude.
Yeah.
Why do you want to catch that weak link out of the kids?
True.
My kid is good at this. Narrate it and then see the confidence rising in him.
Exactly.
When the guest comes to our place, what do we say that? He's good, but I'm looking for someone good in maths. He's not good at maths. And suddenly, he's like, go and tell your guest, "Yeah, my kid is good in English.
Yes.
If you need any help, connect to him."
That's
Exactly.
amazing.
Now that's the change which we and my entire team were trying to enforce it. We don't want that typical 4 to 6 classes,
No,
students come, we fill the board, we rub it out, note it down, go home. What did you get? Just 2 hours of whiteboard filled? No.
The goal is larger, basically.
Basically to build a better future. It's not just because I'm talking to camera and using good words. In fact, we have adapted to this words as well, that we want better future tomorrow. The marks are immaterial. Moral values is what students should carry once they leave this premises.
Wow.
That is what we and my entire team.
एंड मार्क्स आएंगे पीछे पीछे, ऐसा है भी नहीं. एक बार आप डिसिप्लिन मोड में बच्चों को लाकर मार्क्स विल फॉलो, मार्क्स हैव टू फॉलो,
True.
राइट?
But isn't it a little difficult to actually like adhere to these principles and these
Basically, when you give space to students to do what they want to do,
या
they will adapt to those elements which we want them to. Give space, get space.
चिल्ड्रन आर वाइज क्रीचर्स, आई थिंक.
Yes, they are in fact a very cooperative.
Yeah.
research. We
What-
have implemented in practical life, and that is where we find that yes,
या
you are successful. We are building tomorrow. That's
Yeah.
true.
And he's very right. We should basically start parents and teachers together should start trusting children rather than doubting them. You know,
Exactly.
suspecting what are you doing, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो. थोड़ा positive if we motivate them, no? They are wonderful, I believe. They are wonderful.
So, like parents, ऐसे space दे पाते हैं क्या? Like, do they give the space to teachers to teach? Do they give the space to their students to learn in
See,
that way?
every coin has two sides.
Yeah.
And which side of the coin you want to choose
Yeah.
is what. Like you cannot just flip the coin and decide that I'll go for mountaineering or I will go to the beach destination. But you know what? When you flip the coin, I've heard this from many great personalities. When you flip the coin, you feel that
Yeah.
heads आना चाहिए and follow that. Immaterial what the coin says.
Actually, yeah.
But trust your inner voice that what you want to be. So parents ऐसा नहीं है कि space नहीं देते. They have now started to accept it widely. कि see the education से ही field या career नहीं बनेगा.
True.
Bill Gates कितना पढ़ा हुआ है? Right? So this is just one of the greatest examples of the world we have. He's into the top 10 richest men for now decades.
Yeah, it is said no, he's a dropout,
Yeah.
but he is hiring
Graduates,
yeah,
postgraduates,
from the
doctorate
best
person.
institutes.
Yeah. Yeah. So Bill Gates was the one who said that the difficultest job देना हो ना तो सबसे आलसी बंदे को दो. He'll find out the way कैसे
Easiest
फटाफट
way.
करना है.
Correct.
So you need all the skills with you.
Yeah.
You need all the skills and somewhere and somehow kids के जो shortcut अपनाने की मेथड है ना वो भी useful होने वाली है. Yes, I would again suggest test देने में shortcuts मत अपनाना. वरना कहेंगे सर नहीं बताया था top show में.
I know.
Right? And ma'am is very true. Honesty is the best policy.
Yeah.
While writing the exam, student को honest रहेंगे. But I would like to say that parents, कि ultimately it is for your what's great future.
Yeah.
Why can not you be the invigilator of that test?
That's true.
हम खुद इन्विजिलेट करते हैं ना. हम जब यहाँ पे टेस्ट होती है तो I don't say my tutors to go and stand. I come and invigilate. So why can't parents do that? Get going. Ask your kid to be honest, and gradually he'll have that practice of going.
That's true.
In fact, they are becoming like parents are becoming more chill. कि वैसे भी अब तो हो ही जाएगा तो फिर कोई मत नहीं करना तो उन्हें कर रहे हैं. But हाँ, this is also an important aspect.
Right. Sure.
To be there.
Yeah. True.
Very true. Adaptability in all these three spheres.
True.
Three dimensions. Nice. So you have an experience of like 25 years now. So that cases you are in a good position to know what children like go on to do in their life. Right. Like you must have children like students which you have taught and they must have gone on to do something.
Right.
So what do you see in those children that makes you confident कि ठीक है ये वाला जो इंसान है ना ऐसा होता है कि कुछ स्किल्स उनके होते हैं इस टाइम पे एंड देन बाद में जाके वो कुछ और कर रहे होते हैं. So
Possible,
what
quite
do you
possible.
what do you like look on that
I know.
look on to that child? Is that child doing something else? या फिर
Yeah.
उनके लिए क्या पर्सपेक्टिव होता है?
No, there are, in my this vast career, I have come across many students. Supposing I'll tell you an example. The student who always scored great in accountancy, right? Almost full marks. He's a home chef now.
Wow, seriously?
Right? I know. And there was a girl who always, used to dance, and she always used to tell me that, "Ma'am, I'm not really interested in studying. I'm going to make a career in dancing. I'm going to have my own institute someday." And we push her accordingly, right? And she's a very successful bank officer. So you would never know, the twist of fate, they say.
True.
So basically what I'm trying to tell to all the students is that whatever you do now, do it all that vigor, do it with all your honesty, do it with all your hard work and discipline. See, what you choose is less important than how you do it.
Yeah. True.
Perfection is the smallest
True.
thing.
True.
Perfection is the smallest thing no work is small, honestly. If it's done with 100% honesty, putting your best in the smallest thing. We always, the younger children, we always tell them to write down the date, write down the chapter. We all do it, right? So small things they are not small when they are summed up,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that's what we try to tell them. Success is everywhere, no? It's for us to pick it. It's all around. You need that thing in yourself.
I'll frame ma'am's word that the girl who was a great dancer
Yeah.
became a great officer, and the great accountant became a home chef.
I know.
Right? So that can be summed up. Okay, do what you love. But if you are not doing that, love what you
That
do.
is also very important.
Right? So
That
do
is-
what you love, but you don't have options. Then
Then
start loving what
you
you are doing.
And you will be successful.
And why do we want to go far away for the examples? We have Divya ma'am with us.
I know.
She is an NIT pass out engineer with us. So
I
definitely
was correct.
definitely she is in one of the top grades of students, graduates there. But now what is she up to? Youth life coach. She is working for you people. Now she is a great career maker in this different field. So again, that can be done. So don't hesitate to go off track. Don't stick कि मेरे पास ये डिग्री है तो मैं यही कर सकता हूँ या यही कर सकती हूँ. Do what you love. That's it.
That's true.
Do what you love.
True.
Success is definitely going
Going
to
to
Three
be
Idiots वाला dialogue तो
हाँ,
सबको याद
वो
है.
तो होने वाला है, सही बात है. But until you are doing that, also is a other aspect that you do, and that's a very important aspect. Until you get to do what you love, like keep on doing it on the side. Love what you do.
Love what you do.
Exactly. Exactly. Yes.
Even
Keep
if
loving.
you're not in a very good job, or you're not loving what you're doing, you don't find purpose in it, like keep on at it. Right? At this time, if you just keep on at it, you'll build that muscle. That
Yeah,
muscle
true.
कि, ठीक है, I can do this also.
This also.
तो फिर जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ करूँगा, वो तो फिर कितना अच्छा करूँगा.
Correct.
वो करूँगा या उससे अब better interest इसमें develop हो गया है.
Possible, quite possible.
तो फिर
Only one thing is permanent and that is change.
yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Monotonous life से अलग होना ही है.
Yes, yes.
तो dance करते करते let it be hobby. Why do you want to stop dancing?
Mm.
But you are a good accountant from 9 to 5.
Yeah.
6 to 8 go get kids with your place, teach them dance. You are doing both of
That
them.
would be such an amazing combination.
You are doing both of them.
Yeah.
True.
And ultimately, what is the case? Monetary is secondary. You
Secondary.
get that satisfaction.
That's so important.
That my day was good. I cherish this day. I'll remember this day. And then each day would be so good that you say that, अब क्या याद रखूं, छोड़ो ना. Let's move on. This is going good. Everything is going good.
Yeah, that should be the ultimate.
Ultimate, yeah.
Exactly.
Every
Exactly.
day is so good. Every day I'm doing something, learning something, performing something.
That's true.
So don't stop learning so that we teachers don't stop teaching.
Yeah.
That's very true. Very true. So, in the online classes also, like since all of it has been online, we have heard incidents that, like when the kids unmute their mics, and like, in the middle of the class, someone unmutes their mics and comments on anything for fun or for like distracting the class. So it kind of becomes some people, some students are go to that extent that they disrespect the teacher also in that process. So all of these incidents have been reported. Since these videos have been floating around since lockdown has started. So like, how do you feel when any of the students?
Basically, I would take it in the other way. This is not only the online platform where such incidents do occur. Just because it is online, the recordings are available.
No, that's
At
right.
certain extent, few indisciplinary matters do even occur in the classrooms as well. But are we shooting them constantly because we know that are they going to say anything nonsense? Right? But again, if that person has commented something on the students, something on the faculty, in what frame of mind he or she wasn't wrong. It is correct on his part, his vision was right, and if he has abrupted out of it in that frame of mind, it is a pardonable offense. I don't say that it is not an offense, it is a pardonable offense.
Yeah.
Done
You
out
can
of
make him-
immaturity,
yes.
probably.
You can make him her sit, you can make him her realize, but I tell you what, majority of them realizes before you say, okay, oh, this is wrong I have said.
Correct.
And but now that hesitance, कि मैं आप सबको कैसे face करूं?
Yeah.
But then you give them space, make them comfortable, and then you do it. And there is another picture as well. If they've done it on purpose, if they have that habit of doing it,
Yeah.
then you need to take the
Yeah,
action.
that is, both things are correct.
But again, beating them, hitting them is not going to work. You have to take some other actions where they are not even feeling that I've been dethroned by something or disowned by someone, but and even they don't feel that I'm strictly punished for that.
Yeah.
And
Counsel them,
counsel them,
maybe,
yes.
yeah.
Make them call them parents. Talk to them what the atmospheres are at the home that he or she is acting like this at the
Yes.
place, and then and then you come to the conclusion that this is the conclusion which is
Correct,
needed.
correct.
That is how it happens.
That's very true. That's
Okay, so yeah, I also heard what you say, right? I just remember a quote from that. Hurt people hurt people.
That's so true.
Absolutely true.
So even if the students are coming like that, they must have gone through something.
True.
Hurt people, hurt people. Nice
Yeah.
one.
Nice one.
Nice one.
Nice one. something new we learn.
Yeah.
Something new we learn.
Right.
Yeah.
So I would add something to that. I read that you don't know, you never know what the other person is going through. So be kind always.
Exactly.
Be
True.
kind.
Always.
Very true. Very true.
Let's understand things from the other person's perspective. You know,
Exactly.
गुस्सा नहीं आएगा फिर शायद.
हाँ.
You need to understand the situation rather than catching the words.
हाँ, true, true. Words are just a medium.
Yeah.
Yeah. We should learn to look beyond them.
Yeah, वो vibes देखनी पड़ेगी.
Energy.
Where is that coming
बाकी
from?
sorry भी लोग 10 बार बोलते हैं, but
They don't mean it.
They don't mean it. और कभी-कभी
ऐसा?
they don't say it,
But they mean it.
it.
That's true.
They don't say it, but they
Yeah.
mean it. Yes.
Yeah, you can just see from their faces that
Faces,
they're getting
expressions.
Their
Yeah,
expressions,
yeah.
their
Behavior.
behavior, yes, very true.
Correct, correct.
पता चल जाता है.
So no one can imagine कि ये सब teaching का part होता होगा, but इतना like
The actual teaching is probably lesser than the entire.
much lesser.
Yeah.
Government is going to judge them, the boards, the
Yeah.
organizations are going to judge them on their results, on the papers they have written.
Hmm.
But corporates, the world, the friends, the family, the colleagues, the neighbor, the students who are going to play with them, सबसे आप कौन जज करने वाले? With their behavior, with their nature. So सच में सिखाने की जरूरत क्या टेक्स्ट बुक की है जो जिसकी सिर्फ एक ही एग्जाम होती है? और ये चीज जो है नेचर, डिसिप्लिन, एटीट्यूड, ईगो, ये सब तो हर स्टेज पे चेक होने वाला है.
Correct, correct.
हाँ, definitely.
You know-
कहीं भी चले जाओ, कैसे भी जाओ, ये तो
Abdul Kalam sir, our ex-president,
Mm.
one of the most honorable president and kids lover,
Yeah.
said that okay, you put the best teachers at the lowest level. That is the junior KG, senior KG and primary. क्योंकि that is the stage when kids will start to
That is true.
inherit, और वो एक बार उनके नेचर में आ गया तो फिर ऊपर के स्टेज पे
Easy होगा.
easy हो जाएगा टीचर्स के लिए.
Mm,
So you
wow.
put the best teacher at down player, best teacher को कैरियर के लिए मत रखो, क्योंकि वो डिसिप्लिन लाइफ तो कैरियर बनाने ही वाली है. So roots strong करो, stem को strong मत करो.
wow.
The Abdul Kalam sir's line, and one of the seminars when he was with the kids, he said that कि आपको best teachers यहाँ चाहिए, वहाँ नहीं चाहिए.
True, true, true. Very nice.
So that phase basically tells them ना कि वो कैसे इंसान बनेगा. फिर
Exactly.
एक बार they are framed,
Yes.
they are molded in that frame, then तो whatever they do in life, they do it in a right way.
Automatically हो जाएगा.
Wow, such a nice concept. True. So, like, for the parents' perspective also, as you say in 3D definition, like some of the parents nowadays feel like if they've paid the fees in the institute, they don't have to look upon their children at all. Okay, कि अब तो वो आप लोगों की टीचर्स की जिम्मेदारी हो गई है बच्चे. ये अभी नहीं तो हमेशा से
हमेशा
होता
से
है
चल रहा है.
कि ऐसे हमने पे कर दिया, हमारा काम खत्म वहाँ पे, ठीक है. So they complete responsibility of their results of the institute and teachers. So even if the student couldn't perform good because of some other reasons that may have come from home itself or from anywhere, instead of trying to find out that reason and providing the environment at home, they like keep on doing the same stuff.
होता है.
Keep on doing the
होता है. We don't deny it कि no, we don't face such situations. There are many occasions, I won't say few, but there are many occasions जहाँ पे students scores below their potentials and students के parents आते हैं कि सर हमने तो आपको दे दिया था, कर दिया था.
हाँ.
But we always felt that did we really adopt them? I may sound harsh. We are not running away from our responsibilities.
Yeah.
Rather than looking what went wrong, look forward how to rectify them. And again, as I say, parents definitely had their role. See, their kids are with us for a couple of hours in a day.
That's what.
5 hours of day they are in the school, but remaining 16, 17 hours they are at home. What 16 hours they face is going to impact that couple of hours which they are going to spend here. So I would always request parents, okay, wherever you are, whatever your kids are doing, how brilliant your kids is, just ask one question daily. आज स्कूल में શું કરા? What did school do today? Or what teachers taught in class? Even if kid says that nothing, आज कुछ नहीं कर रहा है teacher, accept it. If they say that teacher ने तो लिखा कि हाथ दुखवा दिए मैंने, accept it. But then the kids would feel that my mom, dad are alert about those things. They are daily going to ask me this question.
Correct.
And there the responsibilities of the kids do rise. And I don't say that only parents and teachers has to be responsible. It begins with the kids. आप responsible बन जाओ, मैं बन जाऊँ और kid बोले मैं तो नहीं करूँगा क्या करूँ?
Too much reliance on teachers and parents would,
Yeah.
So उनको भी responsible बनना पड़ेगा and they have to adopt it. So again, the same theory comes up. The world is three-dimensional.
yeah, that is what I was saying.
And it looks beautiful if all three are on the same page again. So you have to adapt it. But occasions होते हैं जब even we know that कहीं ना कहीं I would feel that कभी हमसे भी गलती हुई होगी for the underperformance of the kids. कभी होती है ऐसी गलती, ऐसा नहीं है. When we teach 100-120 students every year,
Yeah.
one might have been feeling that
Missed out or yeah.
injustice हुआ है मेरे साथ. But again, वो हुआ है तो हो गया है, I cannot change that. But how can I incorporate him now with me? And how can I build his career from this level where he is right now, he or she is right now? And then if the parent says that नहीं improvement है, दिख रहा है, then I am a successful teacher. See, 97% लाने वाला बच्चा मेरे पास enrolled होता है, 95 लेकर आता है. He is my advertisement source. वो newspaper में जाएगा. But did he really progress? Did the kid progress? Yes, degraded 2%. 58% लाने वाला बच्चा जब 69 लेकर आता है, is not going to go into the newspaper. 70% में सर ने क्या कर लिया? तीर कौन सा तीर लगा दिया है? But he has progressed 10%.
And that is your real.
Yeah.
And that is each teacher's role is to take the kid to the upper limit of his or her
His own,
potential.
yeah. Without comparison to the other children.
Yeah.
Supernatural results या magical results के पीछे जाने का कोई लॉजिक
नहीं, it is unreal. It wouldn't
Yes.
happen.
It wouldn't happen. और कोई गारंटी देता है तो भी tell them
No.
write it down on stamp papers and then go ahead. देखते हैं हम.
That's
नहीं
not
होगा,
possible.
नहीं होगा. You have to slowly build the career. 60 आ रहे थे, 70 पे ले जाओ, 75 पे ले जाओ, 78 पे ले जाओ, फिर छोड़ दो उसको. जैसे कि हमने कहा उसके पास और भी कैपेबिलिटीज है जिसमें वो आगे करेगा, एक्सेल करेगा. 75, 70 ओके छोड़ दो. अब 78 से 85 तक नहीं ले जाना है, 90 तक नहीं ले जाना है, क्योंकि वो नहीं ले जाएगा. Elasticity has its own limit.
True.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
And also, we would like to appeal to the parents also. I feel that we all are very busy. The life has become very, very busy basically.
Okay.
So, give some time from your busy life to the children. As sir rightly said, at the end of the day, ask them, what did you do at school? What did you do at the institute? Are there any problems? We can maybe sort out together. You know, every day.
ठीक.
So parents should be actively. We also talk to the parents on regular basis, the progress and other things of the board. But I think, as you very rightly initially said, it's a three-dimensional thing,
Yeah.
right?
True.
Yes.
But like ये जो example जो दिया ना, it's like कि अगर बच्चे को ही like ऐसा होता है ना, चोर को पुलिस बना दिया जाए तो वो चोरी कैसे करे?
वो कैसे करेगा?
तो बच्चे को अगर
Responsibility
responsibility
दे.
उससे पूछो कि ठीक है क्या सीखा तुमने, आज जाके क्या सीखा, क्या किया, तो उसको लगेगा कि नहीं अब ये रोज क्वेश्चन आने वाला है तो मुझे ऑब्जर्व करना पड़ेगा कि एक्चुअली
क्या
सीखा
हुआ?
क्या है मैंने.
क्या
And we also tell in classes कि ये टॉपिक आपको समझ में आता है, चलो आप में से कब सीखा. मैंने क्या सिखाया अभी आपको?
True.
That is the way of revision.
That will serve a couple of purposes. That will give them a boost. फिर एक बच्चे को बोलेंगे तो सब बच्चे बोलेंगे कल मैम मुझे भी पूछ सकती है, बेटर ध्यान दूं मैं.
हाँ.
So multiple purposes are served, you know.
मेजरली ये दिवाली के बाद होता है. दिवाली के ब्रेक के बाद स्टूडेंट्स
हाँ,
रिजॉइन करते हैं.
okay.
तो यही होता है कि चलो ये चैप्टर हमने किया था, लेट्स रिवाइज इट फास्टर.
Yeah.
And then the kids teach each other. And I tell you what,
They do it, yeah.
when you teach, you learn the best.
Always, always.
और वो किड्स में वही होता है कि एक बार मैंने सिखाया ना, उसको तो याद रहेगा. And kids learn better from other kids.
हाँ.
फ्रेंड्स से सीखने में बहुत
बहुत मजा आता है, हम जानते हैं वो.
Just like when we enjoy talking to some same disabled faculty, कि मैम फैकल्टी है, मैं भी फैकल्टी हूँ, तो let's
Yeah.
have a same interest.
That chord strike होता है
वो
ना.
कोड हो गया. तो बच्चों को भी बच्चों के साथ कोड हो गया. उनको ये नहीं लगेगा कि मेरे फ्रेंड को आ गया, वो मुझे सिखा रहा है, मुझे नहीं आया.
हाँ.
बट फिर हो गया, मैम से तो बेटर ये सिखा रहा
हाँ.
है, सर से तो बेटर ये सिखा रहा है.
Our job is put to danger, you know at times.
But again, that is good
That's
enough.
fun.
good
That's
enough.
fun. We are successful in doing what we wanted.
Yes,
Exactly.
yes.
Yeah,
that is what you
right.
wanted to do.
And sometimes what some student will ask me in the class, कि मैम ये फिर से समझाइए मुझे पता नहीं चला.
Hmm.
I will tell another guy, अच्छा बेटा आपको समझ आया? मैं म्यूट चली जाती हूँ, आप समझा दीजिए.
Two
So,
purposes gets off.
Yeah.
उसको भी समझ आया है और बोल रहा है या नहीं बोल रहा है पता चल
पता
जाएगा
चलेगा.
और उसको पता चल जाएगा.
हाँ, तो जिन्होंने पहले हाँ बोला था उनका
हाँ.
क्या हुआ अभी?
हाँ.
So
there's two
सबको
purposes
साथ
get
मिलके
it.
चलना पड़ता है.
So like does spotlighting help at that point या फिर कोई randomly किसी को खड़े होने के लिए बोलते हैं वो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है या फिर किसी का नाम लेके बोलेंगे specifically that you go on
नाम लेके इसलिए because otherwise in an online class it creates kind of a ruckus and confusion. मैम किसे बोल रही है?
It's okay.
Classroom में
Classroom
we
is
can
okay.
say random.
Who is ready to do it?
Yeah.
And sometimes sitting on that chair, students coming up with the
We
pen,
do that. We do that.
doing it on the board works even better.
better.
It does.
Yeah.
It does.
Or online, like offline, so you can just see their faces.
Faces.
And then you can recognize that this person wanted to
Yeah,
do it.
yeah.
Even if this hand motion or anything.
We are badly waiting for things to get normal.
Very honest कि जहाँ कहीं भी आपके बच्चे पढ़ रहे हो, ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, cameras on रखवाइए because we teachers have that ability to understand whether your word has understood or not just by looking at the face. 70 से 75% काम फेस देख के हो जाता है कि they are having that question mark or they are clear. Their faces are like हाँ समझ आ गया. तो I request each and everyone make sure that you run your cameras so that the person who is teaching comes to know more better. कि पता चल रहा है या नहीं. So that is the request. Again, see to your resources and go proceed.
That's right.
True. Because that environment तो वो तो घर पे तो वही provide करेंगे. Parents only would provide.
Yeah.
Internet connection, anything that is there. But coaching institute में भी like if you can see as you have told, वो जो results जो board पे लगाते हैं, they are just results to see for the world. कि सक्सेस का रेट ये एक्चुअल सक्सेस वो वहां से वहां तक लेके आना है
वो वहां से वहां तक लेकर आओ वो सक्सेस है. अगर वहां पे नहीं हो फिर भी यू आर गुड इन समथिंग एंड यू हैव स्टार्टेड टू एडप्ट टू दैट तो वो सक्सेस है. किड्स अगर पहले ओपन अप नहीं थे अब ओपन अप है तो वो सक्सेस है. वो पंक्चुअल हो चुके हैं वो सक्सेस है. एज मैम रेज द पंक्चुअलिटी इशू तो वो सक्सेस है. सो सक्सेस डू नॉट हैव वन पैरामीटर टू गो ऑन द बोर्ड. Success is going to be judged at every step.
Every step,
Just you
very
need
right.
to understand that this is a success.
And all the successes are not only published on board.
Exactly.
Some successes are beautiful and they are silent.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Right.
But only you know as teachers
Yeah.
what you have accomplished and the parents maybe of
Maybe.
those
Yeah.
teachers.
But that's surreal. That's beautiful. I would say.
See, teaching community will never have an association. क्योंकि एसोसिएशन में ऐसा होता है कि एक बंदे ने बताया और बाकी सबको करना ही है. Teachers have each individual has different brains. उसको करना है तो करे मैं क्यों करूं? And then there is no unity. Then there is no unity. We do not have rivalry. We do not have unity. But we are very good competitors to each other. We compete with each other.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, when me and ma'am are sitting together having a word, I find something very innovative from her. She finds something innovative from me.
That
And
is-
we immediately adapt it by telling or whether by not telling. Ma'am, ये idea पसंद है मैं अपनाऊंगा.
हाँ. We may say, we may not
We
say,
may say,
but
we
we
may not say,
implement.
but we will implement it.
Right.
और ये होता है. कभी कभी आपको आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग जब करने जाता हूँ तो किड्स का मुझे अभी 3 दिन पहले व्हाट्सएप था ये रील्स बनाते हो सर तो वीडियो शूट करके मुझे भेजो. I will do the best edit you want and check it. So now I said fair enough और मैंने भेजा है. He has done wonders.
Yeah.
I can name him in front of everyone. That's absolutely fine. Yuvraj did a wonders over there.
Oh, great.
But again, the thing is very clear. He needed space, which was provided. If I did not trust his skills, he might have done it for someone else, but he might have done it.
Yeah.
तो leftover कौन था? मैं था और मेरी एकेडमी थी.
True.
वो नहीं था. उसके पास तो स्किल्स थी. And obviously these kids are good at technology than me. As we say, वो हमें सिखा के जाते हैं. At the end of the day.
Correct.
But then I love this thing about that कि teachers के बीच में जो competition होता है ना आखिरकार उसमें जीत कौन रहा है?
Somebody.
winning ना?
Actually, the
Who is
students.
winning in
Students
that?
are winning.
Because if you are becoming better as
Going to, yeah.
Basically, teachers never race. मेरे स्टूडेंट को 95 आए, मेरे
No,
को
no.
96 आए.
We'll
ऐसा
be
कोई
happy
नहीं करता.
for each other, like.
It is like, ma'am, आपके कितने students 90 plus? I had 18. Oh, I had 16. Amazing. 34 of them.
Wow.
It's a combined.
Cumulative. We had 34 of them.
True.
So that is how the race would end by students winning. हम
Yeah.
तो sideline पे ही होते हैं. हम कभी रेस के main participants तो है ही
No.
नहीं. It's like a coach job.
हाँ.
A team wins. Virat Kohli wins. Ravi Shastri never wins the match. But strategically, he had a role.
Yes.
His team had a role. The boys implemented it absolutely perfect.
Chuck the India.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So
Best example.
basically, we make them implement. If they implement it, they are the winners. The world is going to know them.
Definitely.
They are not going to say that कि ये वाले मैम ने मुझे ये चीज सिखाई.
Hmm.
ये कभी नहीं होता. And we know that. It's absolutely fine.
Don't you sometimes feel के like हो सकता है बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो definitely आते होंगे इतने सालों बाद and they would come to you and they would say that like
Very
sir
obliged.
you have changed my life.
Yeah.
Very
You are the
obliged.
one.
That's a
very
beautiful
emotional.
thing. Yeah. Very, very
That's
good.
that's a lifetime moment.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, when someone scores 94% and their parents do not give us a call, sir, thank you for all your help. We did not expect it to come, or 60% वाले comes with the box of a sweet. Yeah, sir, 60 आ गए इसके. So the point is absolutely clear कि 60 वाला हो या 94 वाला हो, when they recall कि भाई सर से ये एक चीज कभी मैंने लाइफ में सीखी थी कि मैम की ये चीज मैंने कभी मेरे लाइफ में एडप्ट कर ली है.
हाँ.
That is sufficient. Even if they come to meet us, they don't come to meet us. We are happy for them. And somewhere and somehow, we are very honestly, we have new kids coming every year. So to detach the string from the previous one and connecting to the new one is also there. There cannot be comparison. Last year we had a good
Right.
batch. This year we have very good batch. Next year we won't have a good batch. Comparison कभी नहीं होता.
Never, never.
रात के बाद की जैसी बात है.
But don't you sometimes feel के इतने सालों बाद the student who used to come for like हो सकता है उसे 1-2 years for 1-2 years they used to come to you they remember you but then after a long time even if your paths cross they don't recognize you does that happen sometimes?
Generally, no.
If you are a good teacher, it won't
It
matter.
never won't.
It won't.
You cast that impression in their minds for lifetime, I guess.
Even while having a dinner or lunch in the restaurants with the
Family or, yeah.
somewhere and somehow students
Students
have
meet us.
They come there, sir, hello sir, how are you?
Yes.
And we are so glad he had that guts to come to meet us even when we were 25.
Yeah.
So
That is true.
Yeah.
We often bump upon students everywhere
Yeah,
actually.
definitely.
My husband jokingly tells me many times that तू तो celebrity है यार कहीं ना कहीं students मिल जाते हैं. But that's a nice feeling. I just went to Tagore for getting this my first dose of vaccine. So a lot of rush you might be knowing, right? So there is a guy coming up and telling me कि मैम पहचाना, so in that he did not recognize. मैम मैं आपका स्टूडेंट आ जाइए आप लाइन में मत खड़े रहिए.
Oh no.
So I said no, let us adhere to the rules. That's what I have taught you.
हाँ.
But it was nice to see him and managing. So ऐसे तो कितने incidents, many incidents throughout the
many incidents do occur when the students just when we had this webinar going few hours back, my 6-7 years back student somewhere came across that posters on Facebook or Insta somewhere. He took that number and he WhatsApped me, is this Tilol sir?
That's so
Right.
nice.
And because he didn't have my contact number, and
Uh-huh.
I said that yes, this is me, and this is my personal number as well, which I have shared over there. He was like, I'll attend.
Yeah.
His name was, I'll attend.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That-
And
You pass out from 6-7
6-7 years back, he is working in Hitachi right now, so he is also in the MNC. But he's like, I'll attend.
Mm.
So I'm like, sure, yeah, I'll expect the honest opinion from you
I know.
so that we can improve it. We can, no, definitely, sir, आपका मजा आने वाला है. You know, don't keep that mindset. Just attend, take it something, leave it what you don't want it. But when such WhatsApp also comes in front of us,
It brightens up our
yes.
day.
And you know what? When that text came, he introduced himself, he gave his name. I completely had his figure in front of me.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
yes, this was the kid in my class, and I
Yeah.
remember him. Yeah, so that is how he is like. I can name him as well. He would be fine. He Parthesh Vyas.
Okay.
He was an engineering student
Okay.
under me. So that's absolutely fine. So kids do recall.
Yeah, it
but
does.
again, as I said that even they have hundreds of teachers in their life.
So
They would like to recognize 5. So we don't have choice.
we have to
They
be among
have
those
choice.
5.
Yeah.
So we don't have choice to be
Yeah.
into their good books. We have to be, and kids have a lot of choice to select.
I know they have. So that way the competition is
Yeah,
up.
then the competition rises. True.
Right? So this is also a good thing only.
Absolutely.
Where we are striving to become the best teachers and our students would
Teaching
become-
professions have nothing bad.
Yeah, so nice. So
There is nothing bad.
nothing to lose.
There is
Yeah.
nothing to lose. If someone comes, we have those students on certain occasions where they are not at all financially sound. Someone is sweeper's kid, someone father might be driving an auto rickshaw or कुछ भी हो जाता है. So shall we keep him deprived of education? We need him there. We need her there.
Yeah.
And ultimately, if he or she studies, he can take his family up. Giving 100 rupees to someone will last for what? 1 day,
A day,
2 days,
yeah.
or 7 days max to max? Education will be a lifetime. It is a lifetime.
So we do it here.
Yeah.
I mean, we would not you should not publish that. But
Exactly,
yes,
exactly.
we will do it.
And honestly speaking, we do have those kids, but even their batchmates don't know
Yeah,
that how are they
who
studying
is,
and who are they.
This is how you treat them.
Yeah.
Because then the prejudice would be there. And we don't want that prejudice to come into there. Unintentional prejudice to come in.
Yeah, correct.
Intentional नहीं होना, unintentional.
बच्चे हैं हो जाता है. So
बच्चे.
मैंने देखा है फैमिलीज में भी हम
Exactly.
लोग पे इतना सिस्टम है. We
Our
have
system is
our-
like that, right?
We have these systems.
Yeah.
They have seen. But then, like, let me just tell you all that Kilol Sir's Academy, Embed Academy, right? They are actually sponsoring kids who have lost their father or mother in the COVID situation, and they are actually teaching them for free for the whole year. The students who were with them, they are still with them even if they have lost their fathers, right?
Basically, when I alone cannot do it. My entire team's support is necessary because if I say that I teach for free and ma'am says that नहीं मैं तो पैसे लूँगी, so I cannot go beyond one limit. So I should be grateful and thankful to my entire team, which in one go within 3 minutes they said that sir 100% scholarship देंगे, you go ahead.
Wow.
That is their support
Yes.
which I needed and they provided it. And you know what? This is not the end. होता क्या है कि जब हमारी एडवर्टाइज पब्लिश की, मैम ने की, मैंने की, थर्ड पर्सन ने की, फोर्थ पर्सन ने की, इट रीच्ड एन एकेडमी वो नेम इन गांधीनगर. उन्होंने वेरी नेक्स्ट डे डाला था
Same
कि
thing.
we will do it on free.
Oh wow.
अहमदाबाद की एक और एकेडमी ने डाला है कि we will be also doing it. एंड एक गांधीनगर की कॉलेज है, उन्होंने किया था कि we will waive off 100% tuition fees.
Oh.
And now this is a revolution which has occurred. आज अगर मेरे पास वो क्राइटेरिया का एक भी स्टूडेंट नहीं आ रहा है, बट वो गांधीनगर की एकेडमी में गया,
हाँ.
then also it is my kid.
Yeah.
And
That is
again,
your friend.
and again, this is a teaching profession where epicenter is never money.
No, that is what we were talking. Okay, they have followed our footsteps. We don't mind. What we care is so many people are going to be benefited by this one endeavor of ours, right? Like they imitated us, they copied us, they followed us. That doesn't matter.
I would say that they
We were
improvised
instrument-
our idea. They
and
never copied.
they did.
They improvised our idea.
Improvised. And we were instrumental in spreading the goodness.
True.
Yeah.
Right.
So you have become the very first initiators of that.
Yeah.
Maybe there might be someone who might have initiated before us.
Yeah.
Somewhere we did not get those advertisements or somewhere we did not connect it.
Yeah.
But yes, we have tried to generate a new chain.
Yes.
And let's see how many links do we get and connected and how strong the chain goes forward. Yes. Secondly, we also don't say that okay, all the students can be taught free because then the overhead cost is running our families, the
Yes,
institutes,
definitely.
those all needs expenses. So yes, those parents who can afford it, go for it and get it done. But those, even if someone has lost their father or mother, in your references, I would suggest that
Please
refer to
contact us. Yeah.
Refer to us. We genuinely do not take a penny, we teach them for free. If we are serving those subjects.
Yeah.
If we are serving for those subjects, Divya ma'am can definitely help you for the same.
Thank you so much, sir. Like this thing, right? This is such a great thing, and like teachers are the most selfless people, I think. I have seen.
We try to.
We try to, and we
Yeah.
are honored for it.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, if something we are able to deliver to someone, then I would say that we were honored.
Purpose is served.
Purpose is
Right,
served for
right,
it.
right.
Yes. That is the point.
Wow, beautiful. So, since we are still running out of time, I also ask one question to Divya ma'am, because now you, for your experience that you have had, 23 years of experience,
Yeah.
you've been teaching students, right? So, how do you think the relation between a student and a teacher has changed in that period? And how was it 23 years
It
ago?
was. It has changed. It has changed. I would say it has definitely changed drastically. I was almost a student 20 years back, right? So we never had that easy access to our teachers, right? We were always in awe of our teachers, right? And I mean, the generation was like that. We had very senior teachers, right? So we dare not enter the staff room. They were very intelligent, genius, I would say, gem of people. But then we had that, gap between us. Okay, they were not easily accessible.
Respect
Right?
ignorance.
We respected them so much, it was impossible for us to think that we could knock the door and enter approach them.
Approach
They
them.
were a little bit less approachable. The equations have changed now, we are now a little more friendlier, more accessible, and apart from helping them with academics, we also try to shape their careers, listen to their problems, counsel them, try to help them become a better person.
Yeah.
So that way, that interaction has increased over the years, I believe. So that gap between the teacher, we are not friends with them, but we are more
Yes.
friendly, I would
We
say.
are friendly, yes.
Right, that is something that the process has undergone a change in this 20 years, I feel.
That is a really good thing.
Yeah, I know.
Even it is the same 20 years back, even if you take 10 years back, the mobile
Even 10
phones
years,
were not
not
so
there.
frequent.
Correct.
And then that time when we needed to contact our
Teachers,
officers, we
professors.
used to give that landline.
I know,
We
and
used to
that
give
also
landline.
मुश्किल से
और
मिलता था.
वहाँ पे भी उनके कोई फैमिली मेंबर सर लेक्चर में बाद में करवाता हूँ and they put the phone down.
Yeah, we are just a WhatsApp away.
Yeah, and today they are like at 11:30 in the
they-
night. They say that, "Hey, sir, can we have a quick session
Correct, correct.
for 15 minutes? I'm stuck up somewhere over here in."
Wow, seriously?
Yeah, it
And
happens.
we go for WhatsApp video call and we get it done in 10-15 minutes.
Wow.
Even when ma'am or I are out for the break, on a break with the family, right? Students के sir ये solve करा था difficulty है, तो shall I say that no, I'm on a break right now, I won't solve? Let's have a quick break after 15 minutes, I'll get it done.
So like doctors, we teachers are also always available.
We
now.
are always available.
Right.
We are always available.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
but we don't just face those emergency
That
situations.
is
हाँ, but कभी-कभी हो जाता है कल एग्जाम है और आज दौड़ना
तो
है,
emergency हो
तो
गई।
emergency हो गई.
But we like it, I guess. Yeah, it's part of the job.
Yes, when you like it, you don't get tired.
Yeah, that's true.
Wow, okay. Then, that line also I heard from the holiday movie. A soldier is never off duty.
Ah.
This also
Never
seems
off.
like
Teacher
that.
is never
Never
off.
off.
COVID might end in 2021 for the world. We hope for that. But we teachers are not going to have break in 2022 because the boards would end at March 2022, then the entrance, and then we may get a break in May 2022. So COVID vaccinations, everything might drive away the viruses out, but our COVID would end in May 2022, which has started in March 2020.
20.
So
Right.
every people might have went out, they have figured it out, they might have taken the break,
Break.
but our break is next
Long
scheduled
time
for
to go, yeah.
2022 if COVID permits. Otherwise, it would be postponed to
Even more.
2023. But again, let's be positive.
Yeah.
COVID ends this year and we get the classrooms going once again. We stop this online process.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yes, now the new doors have also opened. If someone is going out on a vacation, they won't miss the lectures.
Yeah.
क्लास
exactly.
में है, वो ऑनलाइन पढ़
meetings
सकते हैं।
happen, सही बात
तो
है।
वो ये चीज खत्म हो गई कि अब सर इज नॉट
Yeah.
देयर
Going out.
वो excuses भी खत्म हो
नहीं
गए।
रहेंगे।
नहीं रहेंगे। So again, if the door get closed, the new doors get
Always
open.
it is.
It gets open. So you just have to find that door.
So, like, even on Instagram and all, right, we are also on social media, you are on social media. So, your students, right, they can connect on social media also. And
They
then
do, yeah.
Instagram, they can see where you're roaming, what you are doing. So, is that a good thing or a.
That's a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
They know that we have our lives. Yeah.
We don't have anything
No.
private life.
In fact, they ask us, how was the vacation? How do you find places? So yeah.
Basically, we should be responsible in posting what we are putting it over
Right.
there. So the students would also feel that it's okay. No, sir can have a break. Sir can have an haircut. Sir can have a groom.
Absolutely.
Everything can be done, which you are doing, that we are doing, just like that. And secondly, मैम तो इतने स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं है, बबली है नेचर में, तो थिंग इज एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर, उनके फॉलोअर्स हो जाते हैं। मैं चालू लेक्चर में वो इंस्टाग्राम लाइव वालों को पकड़ता हूँ, तो फॉलोअर्स कम हो जाते हैं हमारे।
पर ये सर जैसे चाहिए, वरना होगा नहीं हमारा काम। So we compliment each other.
Exactly. We compliment each other, but that is the again
Yeah.
point, part to laugh of.
Yeah.
The real
चालू
reason-
लेक्चर में Instagram, right?
हाँ.
They-
बच्चे बहुत smart
I
है.
don't know what to name those students, but और ये सेशन के बाद भी शायद 2-4 फॉलोअर कम हो जाए। सर ने पकड़ लिए तो ठीक है।
तो alternate tabs चालू रहती हैं. शाणे हैं बड़े.
But we do need teachers like this.
Yeah, absolutely. Crash हो जाएगा पूरा system वरना. नहीं.
ठीक है, again every coin has two sides.
Yeah.
That would
That
be
is
the
something.
case.
Balance.
Right.
So ma'am is more friendly. I catch hold of them. But ultimately teaching बात करोगे तो we are on the same side.
Same
of the
page.
coin.
Absolutely.
We are on the same side of the
Yeah.
coin.
Your purpose is on the.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Goal, purpose, journey,
Journey.
everything is
Yeah,
same. Just the two
Our
different ways
personalities
of
are different basically.
perspective.
Right.
True.
So.
But that was so beautiful, especially like all the bits of this. I think I learned a lot from this session, and all the bits were so beautiful. Especially the thing that you guys are doing.
But I should definitely acknowledge you that your questions were absolutely on spot,
On
which
point, yes.
each and every student, parent, and other fraternity of my profession, teachers, should listen and try to adapt. Now, I don't say that adapt to our way of approaching. Their way of approach may be even better, but the thing is, adapt everything and accept what the scenario is. Don't try to change them. So I would even acknowledge you for the
We definitely do
same.
it. Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Amazing set of questions, and honestly, through your questions, we could tell something to the parents and students what we wanted to tell from a
We can
long
express that.
time.
We can express
You
it.
gave us that platform to answer, you know.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Otherwise, we would have never called parents in and we would have expressed
One to
those
one,
things.
yeah.
We are a worst expressor.
So yeah, your questions help us to answer.
True.
Yeah.
True. That
I
is
tried to do my best as
No,
host.
No, that
Bang
was
on,
a
bang on.
Thank you so much for inviting. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, God. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Hanya,
thank you, ma'am.
for coming on this platform. Amazing. I
Thank
love
you.
it.
Thank you so much.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Wrap it up.
Please.